ప్రతినిధిగా సీనియర్ ఐఏఎస్ అధికారిని రంజీవ్ ఆర్ ఆచార్య గారి సందేశం.
Honorable Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao Gariki, Honorable Deputy CMs, Honorable Ministers, Council of Ministers, Honorable Advisors, MPs, MLAs, MLCs, all my fellow colleagues, and all the officers and staff of the Secretariat. Mi andarki na namaskaram. Sir, this is an extempore from my side, and I speak from the heart. First of all, sir, my association with Shri Rajiv Sharma Garu goes back to my joint collector days in Nalgonda. And at that time, sir was also posted in Nalgonda. And he, in a way, has been the mentor in my career. I thank you, sir, for this beginning. I would only mention 2-3 important characteristics that I have seen in his character, which are a source of inspiration for all of us. As a Chief Secretary, whenever I visited and whenever I had the opportunity to go to him, first of all, I always noticed the sheer quantum of work which surrounded him. And he was balancing so many complicated issues with so much of calmness and with no anxiety whatsoever. I think for this, sir, you need a big applause. The state, after the state bifurcation, and then in between such important decisions of forming the new districts, these were decisions, and then of course the crisis of, in a way, a crisis and opportunity both, of demonetization. In all these circumstances, I found sir always going into the depth of the issue. In spite of a huge quantum of work, he always looked in depth, and that is why I think, sir, the decisions that you made and the decisions that you helped the state make have been always successful, and they've held a state in a great honor. It's my proud privilege again to mention, sir, that apart from your 2 important characteristics of not only never losing your calm, I would like to share one incident of how deeply he used to look into the matters. Just a week ago, we had to file an affidavit in the Supreme Court. And I want to share this personal experience. In spite of he being so busy in number of different works and different decisions which he was taking, he went into the depth, and he would raise pertinent questions which sometimes I thought that I've gone well prepared, but then I had to search for answers. And to share with you a very simple thing he asked me, is it compared to or compared with? And then, sir, I went back and I looked into my dictionary, and fortunately the dictionary says both can be used. So there are numerous examples like this which I can share with you, where I have learnt a lot, not only at my personal level. Sir, all of us as officers, as part of this fraternity, we are very grateful to you for being an inspiration. We have learnt a lot from you, and I'm sure we will continue to learn from you in your capacity as the Chief Advisor of this government. Without taking more time, sir, I would like to express on behalf of all my colleagues, all the officers and staff of the Secretariat, our deepest gratitude and our deep well wishes for you, that wherever you are here with us, that you continue to guide us and inspire us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.